I'm Liz, the creator of Po-Up Card Game, which are party games celebrating Black experiences from college to the workplace. I've been an Amazon seller for a couple of years, and today I'm going to share a few tips for optimizing your listing on Amazon. First things first, you want to make sure that you have high quality product photos ready to go for your listing. And this should include a mix of product photos, which are images of your product against a white backdrop at different angles. And this should also include a list of lifestyle photos, which are images of people interacting with your product or images of your product in a usual setting where people can find your product. So for example, my card game is a party game. So my lifestyle images include people around a table playing the card game. And I also have some images including the dimensions of the product and a few tips and ideas for where this product can be used. What I also recommend for listing optimization is looking at 2 to 3 competitor listings on Amazon, copying their listings into an AI tool and asking this AI tool to help you develop your own listing using keywords for SEO optimization. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy the words in that listing into your AI tool from your competitors. From there, you're going to ask your AI tool to create a listing for your product, leveraging some of the key phrases and tips used in your competitor's listing that should be leveraged in your own listing. And don't forget to ask your AI tool to make sure that your listing is optimized for SEO, meaning that people are able to leverage keywords to find your product on Amazon when they're looking for maybe similar products or looking for products in that category. You want to make sure that your listing pops up, and this is a great way to not have to develop your listing from scratch and to make sure that you are standing out amongst your competitors. And last but not least, for listing optimization, I recommend leveraging your A+ content on Amazon. A+ content is what you see when you scroll to the bottom of a listing that provides more dynamic images explaining a product in a way that you may not have been able to explain at the top of a page, which is limited to a certain number of words or characters. Definitely take advantage of the A+ content, add videos to your page where possible, and just really make sure that your brand messaging, but also your brand look and feel comes across by the time people scroll to that portion of your listing. I hope you found these tips helpful for listing optimization on Amazon.